Things you will learn when doing mathematics. Integrate tan of x.
Something that you must know how to do by heart is to integrate tan of x. So to integrate tan of x, imagine tan of x as being sine of x over cos of x. If you consider this, hang on, let me give you something random. Natural log of x squared plus x. Now when you differentiate this, it will be 1 over the bubble, 1 over, imagine this as being a bubble, 1 over the bubble times the derivative of the bubble itself, 2x plus 1. And then this thing here gets multiplied to the top. What's important is that, notice that the numerator is the exact derivative of the denominator. So if you're trying to integrate this, notice that the numerator is near enough the exact derivative of the denominator, because if you differentiate cos, it will give you minus sine of x, which is very similar to this. So hang on. So for you to integrate this, you've got to look for something in such a way that when you differentiate it, it gives you this. So if you consider y equals, hang on, if you consider this cos of x. Now when you differentiate this, dy by dx equals 1 over the bubble. So imagine this as being a bubble, 1 over the bubble, and then times the derivative of the bubble itself. And then this gets multiplied to the top. So it will look like this with a minus over cos of x. Now this is very similar to this. It's just you don't want the minus. So you would go back to your initial guess and stick a minus in front of it. Now when you differentiate it, it will be this. So when you integrate this, it will become this thing here, minus natural log absolute value cos x, and then plus c. If you want to, you can push this up here so it looks like this, natural log absolute cos x absolute minus 1, hang on, to the power of minus 1 plus c. You have to think about this for yourself, but you can actually push this in here. So it will look like this, natural log of cos of x to the power of minus 1. It would be the same thing. Think about it. Well, this is really the same as 1 over cos of x, which is the same as secant of x. So, hang on. So when you differentiate it, you can either leave it as this, or you can leave it as this. Okay, so that's how you differentiate tan of x.